Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at a couple of concepts that you need to know about whenever you're learning vectors. You need to know how vectors are represented so that whenever you see one, you can easily identify that this is a vector, not a scalar. You need to know what a null vector is when you'll be doing calculations in vectors. You need to know what a negative vector is. You need to know what a zero vector, which is also a null vector, what a unit vector is, and also what the magnitude of a vector is and how to represent it. So how do you represent a vector? I'm going to use Biro so that I can write. Good. How do you represent a vector? If it is a printed work, you are normally going to be seeing vectors represented as heavy print. Like instead of having a, you're going to have a. This is a for scalar, but if it is a vector, you're going to have it heavy print. It's going to be heavy. So this is a scalar, this is a vector. So this is what is represented here. You understand? But if you are writing, if you are writing, for you to be able to make a heavy print with your biro, it might be difficult for you. So to represent a vector when you're writing on your normal paper, you can just write A and put a bar underneath of it. So when you write, if you want to represent the vector as B, you can simply say B, this is a vector. So from the last class, I told us that if you want to represent a vector that starts from A to B, you do it like this. So this is a representation of a vector. You can also represent it like this, because if you had your point A here and point B here, and this is AB, this is this vector. So you can easily represent it by this A underscore. So you can either say that this vector is AB, or you can say that it is also A. So these are two ways you can use it representing this very vector, A, B, or A. So that is the general notation. Heavy print of the letter. It could be K. It's not only A that you can use. It could be K, it could be L. But make it to be heavy. That is vector notation. The one that is not heavy is scalar. You can also represent as A with bar underneath. Now, magnitude of a vector. How do you represent the magnitude of a vector? Write the vector and then put this double marks. So this is magnitude of vector A, which we all know here is 50 kilometers. So magnitude of vector A is 50 kilometers. So this is how you represent magnitude of vector A with this. Then zero vector. What is a zero vector? Another word for magnitude of a vector is modulus of a vector. You can call it magnitude or modulus of a vector. Now, what is a zero vector? A zero vector is a vector with the magnitude of 0. So whenever the magnitude of a vector, say A, is equal to 0, we call it a zero vector, and it can be represented by O. This is a zero vector. It is also called a null vector. You can call a zero vector a null vector. Now we look at unit vector. A unit vector is the direction. A unit vector in the direction of a vector A is the vector represented by A with this caret sign. So whenever you have vector like this B with caret sign, it is known as unit vector. And it is such that A is equal to modulus of A times unit vector A. So whenever you have the multiplication of modulus of A or magnitude of A with a unit vector of A, you get that normal vector. Very, very important. You need to know this notation. Then finally, we need to look at negative vector. What is a negative vector? The negative vector of a vector A is the vector which has the same magnitude as that of A, but a direction opposite to that of A. So you can see it is written as minus the vector because of the direction is opposite, but the magnitudes are the same. So this magnitude is going to be the same for both of them, for a vector and the negative vector, only that the direction is opposite. So, and it is represented by minus A. So like this vector now, the opposite of this will be BA. This is the negative vector of AB. So this is how you represent. So it's going to, instead of being like going like this vector going like this, it's going to come this other way because of this. So this is the same. This is AB. The opposite is either you say minus A or B A with this. So this is the negative vector of this, or you can also represent it as this with underscore. So these are two ways of representing the negative of this variable. So very importantly, you need to know all this notation. Note how to represent a vector, the magnitude of a vector, the zero vector, the unit vector, and the negative of a vector. Very important. So in the subsequent classes, we're going to continue from this. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Any new video you want us to work on for you. Please, if you like this, share and like this video. Thank you.